Which hot dog roller actually delivers? Simple question, but the answer isn't so clear. There's countertop models, grills, commercial machines, all claiming to be the best. Today, we break down the real winners based on performance, value, and what actually matters when you're cooking hot dogs at home or for a crowd.
Product number 1. Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Countertop Roller. Let's start with the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Extra Large Countertop Hot Dog Roller at $79.99. This stainless steel model looks retro and feels sturdy. It holds 8 hot dogs and includes a bun warmer, a nice touch if you're serving full meals. The adjustable timer is simple to use, and the non-stick warming racks make cleanup easier than most. Here's why this matters for you. If you're hosting game nights or family cookouts, this machine gives you consistent heat across all rollers without burning your dogs. It's not the fastest, but it's reliable for small batches. With over 400 bought recently, it's clearly popular for home use. The timer prevents overcooking, which is a big deal if you've ever ended up with rubbery sausages. Now, some people might miss having dual temperature zones. This one only has one heat setting. That means you can't keep some dogs warm while cooking others. But honestly, for casual use, that's not a deal breaker. It's designed for simplicity, not speed. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, no-fuss way to cook hot dogs at home without spending over $100. Skip this one if you're feeding more than 8 people regularly or need commercial-grade performance. For the price, it's solid value. Just don't expect restaurant-level control.
Product number 2. K-Crown Barbecue Sausage Rack. The K-Crown Hot Dog Roller, a completely different approach. At just $14.99, this isn't an electric roller. It's a manual sausage rack with a long wood handle made for grilling over open flames. It holds 5 hot dogs and rotates by hand. If you're into backyard barbecues or camping, this is surprisingly effective. Here's why this matters for you. It gives you that authentic grilled flavor you can't get from electric rollers. The wood handle stays cool, and the stainless steel rods cook evenly when rotated properly. It's also lightweight and portable, perfect for tailgating. Over 400 people bought it last month, mostly for outdoor use, and it shows up in a lot of grill setups. Now the obvious flaw. It's manual. You have to keep turning it, which gets tiring during long cookouts. And if you're not paying attention, one side can burn while the other stays raw. But here's the thing, that's part of the grilling experience. If you want hands-off cooking, this isn't it. But if you enjoy being involved in the process, it's actually kind of fun. This is perfect for you if you already own a grill and want a cheap, portable way to cook hot dogs with real flame flavor. Skip this one if you want convenience or need to cook indoors. For under $15, it's a steal. Just know what you're signing up for.
Product number 3. Vevor 5-Roller Commercial Grill. We're stepping up with the Vevor 5-Roller Hot Dog Grill. At $98.99, this is a serious machine. 750-watt power, stainless steel build, and ETL certified. It holds up to 12 hot dogs and includes dual temperature control, a glass hood, and a removable drip tray. This feels like something you'd see at a snack stand. Here's why this matters for you. The dual temp knobs let you cook on the back rollers while keeping finished dogs warm in front. That's huge if you're serving a crowd. The 360-degree rotation ensures even cooking, no more flipping or guessing. And the 750-watt motor gets dogs ready in about 15 minutes. With 300 plus sold recently, it's a favorite for home chefs who want pro-level results. Now, some users complain it's a bit loud when running, and the glass hood can fog up during use. Also, at 22 pounds, it's not something you'll move around easily. But honestly, the performance outweighs those quirks. The drip tray catches grease well, and cleanup is manageable. This is perfect for you if you host frequent gatherings or want a durable, high-capacity roller for home use. Skip this one if you only cook hot dogs once in a while. It's overkill for occasional use. For under $100, it's one of the best values in this list. Product number 4. Vevor 11-Roller Beast Mode. If the previous Vevor wasn't enough, here's the big brother, the Vevor 11-Roller Hot Dog Machine at $169.90. This thing holds 30 hot dogs, runs on 1800 watts, and includes LED lighting, a tempered glass hood, and dual temp zones. It's built for canteens, food trucks, or serious home entertainers. Here's why this matters for you. The 11 rollers with 360-degree rotation mean every dog cooks evenly, even at full capacity. The dual controls let you manage 2 heat zones independently, perfect for cooking different meats or keeping food warm. The LED light is a small touch, but actually helpful during late-night events. And the stainless steel body is built to last. Now, the downsides. It's heavy,
nearly 40 pounds, and takes up serious counter space. Also, at nearly $170, it's a big investment for home use. Some buyers say it's overkill unless you're running a small business, but if you're feeding 20+ people regularly, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you run a food stand, host large parties, or just want the ultimate hot dog setup at home. Skip this one if you're cooking for fewer than 10 people regularly. It's expensive, but if you need volume and reliability, this is the machine.
Product number 5, Vevor 7-Roller Mid-Range Pro. The Vevor 7-Roller Hot Dog Grill at $131.90. It sits between the 5-roller and 11-roller models. 18 dog capacity, 1050 watts, dual temp control, glass hood, and bun warmer shelf. It's a sweet spot for performance and price. Here's why this matters for you. It gives you commercial features without going full scale. The dual temp zones let you cook and warm simultaneously, and the 7 rollers rotate smoothly thanks to the chain drive. The acrylic cover keeps heat in and debris out, and the drip tray is easy to remove. It's ETL certified, so safety isn't an issue. Now, some users note it's still quite heavy at over 20 pounds, and the bun warmer isn't as effective as a dedicated toaster, but for the price, those are minor trade-offs. It's not as powerful as the 1800-watt models, but 1050 watts is plenty for home or light commercial use. This is perfect for you if you want pro features without the $170 price tag. Skip this one if you only need to cook a few dogs at a time. The 5-roller Vevor is better value. But if you're feeding 10 to 15 people regularly, this is the best balance of power, capacity, and cost.
So which hot dog roller wins? For casual home use, the Nostalgia model is simple and reliable. The K-Crown is perfect for grill lovers on a budget. The Vevor 5-roller offers the best value for frequent hosts. The 7-roller is ideal for medium crowds, and the 11-roller is built for volume. Pick based on your needs, not the flashiest features. Thanks for watching, and let me know which one you're grabbing in the comments.